Akala ko dati, getting married would be one of the happiest moment as a woman. Pero mali pala ako. Kasi lately, habang papalapit yung araw ng kasal ko, natatakot ako at nalulungkot na ako. Kinakain na ako ng lungkot, kinakain na ako ng takot. Alam ko ng what if. What if hindi ako maging mabuting asawa? What if hindi ako maging mabuting nanay? Ba nakakalungkot yan? What if hindi ako maging mabuting anak? What if hindi ko ma-pursue yung career na gusto ko? Daming what if talaga. And I was lost in those thoughts. Natatakot ako, nalulungkot ako. Until I reached out to one of my friends at sinabi niya sa akin, season rules and you must respect it. Una, hindi siya nagsisinkin sa akin. Until I realized, for 29 years, nagpaka-anak ako. Minahal ko yung magulang ko. Hindi naman ako naging masamang anak. For 5 years, enjoy ko naman yung pagiging boyfriend at girlfriend namin ang fiancé ko. And then for 1.5 year, naging fiancé ako. In-enjoy ko lang yun. And I think it's time. It's time to embrace this new season of my life. All those things that happened to me is just a preparation for my future me. Kinakabahan pa rin naman ako. But I'm just embracing it because change is inevitable, sabi niya. Kahit ano namang journey ng buhay mo, maghahanap ka ng trabaho, mag-migrate ka ng ibang bansa, mag-asawa ka, mag-baby ka, lahat yun may takot. Ayun, unti-unti ko nang ini-embrace. Season rules and you must respect it.